Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Susie and I do videos about my day-to-day life, which mostly includes journaling, food and ice skating and a few other things as well. So today I'm going to be doing a very short video. It's going to be my weekly check-in for the 5th to the 11th of July. Normally it would be longer, but I really didn't spend a lot this week, which is good. The things I did spend were mostly part of my sinking funds, so I don't actually track them here. But yeah, I'm just going to update my check-in for my variable budget. Honestly, there's not a lot, so it's going to be a very short video. So this is my weekly check-in page. I have already filled in the dates and the categories. I have filled in week 1, which was not a full week, and the only things I spent from that was £20 from bills and my sinking funds that I put down as a full spend of the entire budget I have immediately, because I deposit those straight into my sinking funds and they are then gone as far as my main budget is concerned. So yeah, those are the only things I've done. Now this is what my monthly spread looks like at the minute. Now, the only things I have actually spent are on groceries, and it was only on the Monday and the Tuesday. So I spent $11.98 at Amazon. I'm struggling to remember what that was for. I'll have written it in my transaction log, but yeah. Oh, I think it was for stevia sweetener for my keto coffee I have in the morning. That's what it was. So £15.72 is the total I've spent. This was for some coconut oil I went halves with for my mum, because I used up like half of hers also for my keto coffee. So I paid for half of her new one. So £15.72 is the total. So I'm going to put £15.72 in there. So that was £15.72. Now I set my grocery budget this month at 0, which was maybe sensible or not, but basically I didn't really have much planned to buy. But there are going to be a few little things. So anyway, so technically I'm already over budget for that, but it doesn't matter. I just want to keep it as low as possible. So that's negative £15.72. And remaining per week, I'm just going to put the balance as negative £15.72. So eating out, I have spent nothing. So, and there's nothing remaining because I set the budget as 0. Obviously I'm on my diet and I have no plans to go eat out. Travel, that I have spent, but that was this week, so that'll be in the next week. So I'm going to put 0 for that, which means there's 40 left, and 40 divided by 3 is, I think, 43.33. No, I mean 13.33. Yeah, okay. Sinking funds is still the same. I haven't added anything to those. Sinking funds, I made a mistake, but yeah, I have added 0 this week into those. Remaining is still minus 48p. Other, I haven't spent anything. Yay! This budget is actually really boring this month in terms of, there's a lot of zeros going on, but it means in theory that I will have a lot at the end of the month to put towards my driving course, which I mentioned in my daily duo setup video, which I'm hoping to do in October. So hopefully I should have all the money by next month, and then they should hopefully have bookings open from October-ish. Maybe I'll have to do it in November. It depends when they have availability, but I'm hoping to do it in October. Bills, no other bills have gone out this week from my variables. So that's a 0. The remaining is still 200. and yeah, per week that is 66. Yeah, I might stop writing the weekly remaining in there. I might just leave that. Was what I did with the first week. But yeah, anyway, so that is it. That is done. That is my second weekly check-in. I'm kind of bad at filling this in, so I'm glad I've done this now. But yeah, that's everything. This was a short video. Again, thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel as well, so you keep updated with the following videos and so you keep updated with the process. I will have more videos coming soon, but I will leave you to it for now. I hope you have a wonderful evening and I'll see you next time.